dodging girls like ping pong balls just to reach the bathroom on time. Leaving over laundry piles, diapers you can smell for miles. Guys gotta do what he can to survive. In the